A May 2025. Canada is burning. In Manitoba alone, over 1.5 million hectares have gone up in smoke, and thousands of people are being forced to leave everything behind. More than 1,300 fires have sparked across the country, with 83 still out of control. The crisis, it's not stopping at Canada's border. Smoke from these wildfires is crossing into the US, drifting over Minnesota, Wisconsin, and Michigan. Entire states are waking up under a thick, choking haze. Air quality alerts are flashing on phones and highway signs, all because of fires hundreds of miles away. In Minnesota, the air has dropped to red, which means it's officially unhealthy for everyone, not just people with asthma or lung problems. Health officials are urging everyone, stay inside if you can, limit your time outdoors. Wildfire smoke isn't like the smoke from your backyard fire pit. It's full of fine particles that go deep into your lungs. For kids, seniors, and anyone with breathing problems, it's especially dangerous. Meanwhile, back in Manitoba, the fight is relentless. Helicopters are dumping water over roaring flames, and firefighters, some who've traveled from hundreds of miles away, are stretched thin. The whole province is under a state of emergency. And the weather? It's not helping. Experts are sounding the alarm. This, right here, might be our new normal. Climate change is making fire seasons hotter, longer, and more unpredictable. The numbers don't lie. And yet, amid all this chaos, hope is showing up. People are volunteering, shelters are opening their doors, and wildlife crews are rescuing animals stranded by the flames. In the face of disaster, people come together. This isn't just a Canadian story, it's a shared crisis, one that reminds me, and hopefully you, just how connected and vulnerable our world really is. So here's what you can do: stay informed, protect your health, and support those who are risking everything on the front lines. Hit that subscribe button for updates as the story unfolds, and share this video to keep your community safe. Subscribe, share, stay safe.